The Levoit top fill humidifier is designed to provide efficient and quiet moisture for large rooms, including bedrooms, nurseries, and homes with plants. This model features a 2.5-liter tank that supports up to 25 hours of continuous operation, delivering a soothing cool mist with minimal noise. It is a reliable solution from the Visit the Levoit store, known for combining performance with user-friendly design. This humidifier offers a convenient top-fill system that eliminates spills and simplifies refilling. Its wide opening and detachable parts make cleaning effortless, promoting better hygiene and maintenance. Users can easily customize the mist output with a single knob and adjust the 360-degree nozzle for targeted hydration. The device operates quietly at about 28 decibels with all lights off, ensuring an undisturbed environment during sleep. It also includes an automatic shut-off feature for added safety. Ideal for anyone seeking relief from dry air or congestion, this humidifier enhances comfort in bedrooms and nurseries. Its ease of use and quiet operation make it suitable for families with babies or individuals sensitive to noise. The Levoit Top Fill Humidifier combines practicality with thoughtful features to improve indoor air quality effectively.